We're going to change the light bulb on my Ariens Deluxe 30. The halogen burned out, so we're going to replace it with an OEM bulb that from East River Power Equipment. Anyway, it says on the box it's halogen quartz glass, but inside it's definitely not. It's supposed to be an LED. There we go, right there. And it's a projector type, so it aims out the front. We'll see how that goes. So to get it out, you can see in here, that's the connector right here for the bulb. And it recommends in the instructions that you remove this whole housing. So I'm going to get up in there and I'll come back after I've removed, well, there's a little screw up in there and another one. I'll remove those and pull it out the front and show you. Alright, so there's the screw there, and then on that side there's another screw that looks remarkably like this, and I used this little extension on my Ryobi, and that will bring that out. Yeah, man, these are in a bugger of a spot. It's not really easy. That one was okay to get to. This one, not so much. Got her eventually. Show you in a sec. Yeah, those were 8mm little bolts there. Now this, I believe, just twists and comes out. And again, I'm gonna have to put the phone down just to get that out. I'll show you. So when you're reinserting the bulb, you see the clasp there, or the connector. It can only go one way, and you look in there, and there's that little plastic piece right in between the two blades there, and there's a gully for it there. So it can only go one way when you're snapping it back in. It was pretty tight going in. I think it's supposed to be a half turn, but if you look at this side, so right inside there, you can see it's turned. It's enough to engage. It only goes in one way, and it's only going to turn one way. But this little washer, silicone washer, was a lot stiffer than the one that came out. So I'm hoping that that turned enough to clear, and we'll try it out. I'll just plug it in, start the snowblower, and see how the light looks. All right. I haven't secured it in there, but it's definitely looking brighter than the old one was. And it seems to be aimed. And we'll see how it works. We'll see how it works when it snows the next day or two. Okay, I waited until it was dark out. Let me turn on my hat light. There we go. Now I can see what's going on. I figure I'll start it up, let you see what it looks like when it's dark. Hopefully you'll see that. So now that I've got it all secured in there good, well, I should say, and let's see. Yeah, it was River East Power Equipment. I originally pointed to the wrong screw underneath, but I think I showed that a little bit. And let's start her up and see how she goes. Well, it's nice and bright. I'm not sure if it's brighter or not than the old one, but Well, hopefully it'll last longer than the halogen bulb did. Anyway, feel free to like and subscribe. I guess that's what YouTubers say. And have a great day and careful snow blowing. Thanks.